5, if you haven't heard me speak about it, is basically every morning or in the night is all about you making sure that you write out what are the 5 most important things you're going to do in that day and then tick it. These are not your to-do list. This is towards your biggest goal. What's your morning routine? I actually have some of my stuff around me. Let me show you. I follow something called Savers. It's from a book called The Miracle Morning. And what I land up doing is start with my silence. So that's me meditating. S for silence. A for affirmations and visualization. Let me show you my affirmations and visualization. So I have a book like this on which I have written all my affirmations and visualizations. I'm going to read some of them out to you so that you start to get an idea of what I do. The first sentence I read is, I choose hard for I'm extraordinary. I have written in my book, PV Sindhu left her phone for 9 months to ace her career in badminton. Pooja, what price are you willing to pay? This is me having conversation with myself. Then I read all my affirmations which says, I'm in control of my behavior. I will get my goals finished no matter how I feel. I am in charge of my own outcome. Nobody can hold me back, not even my distractions. I've got the stamina to keep going. My willpower exceeds my moods and my fatigue. When I set a goal, I achieve them. Everything is figure outable. It's no more about me. I have the answers. Someone helped me. Now it's my turn to help others. And that's pretty much my top 10 affirmations that I read every morning. And you'll notice that there are a lot around the hard work that I need to put in. I used to have a lot of varied affirmations in different topics, but over the years I've started to feel like, you know what, I need to work only on this one topic because I tend to maximum complain about the hard work that I do. You know, I always have to ask myself, I can easily be sitting in front of the TV eating chips and enjoying my life. Why do I put in so much hard work? So every day I like to remind myself that now I'm on a journey where it's about helping others more than, you know, God's been really kind the last 10 years. Now it's time to give back. So I just have to remind myself that. So I love reading my affirmations. Then I sit and visualize all my goals. I'm not going to read out my goals to you right now. They're a bit personal. But whatever it is, like the money amount that I'll be earning, the holidays that I'll be taking, the career choices that I'm going to be making, the people that I want to interact with, the people I want to partner with, all of that will be there in my goals. And I'll read through all of my 10 goals every morning, read through my affirmations, do my visualization, move into reading. Every day I read something. I'm surrounded by books. I keep at least 5 books. And then the one that speaks to me, currently I'm reading a book called The Radical Awakening by Dr. Shefali. She's a fabulous teacher. She doesn't simplify concepts. She keeps her concepts quite complicated, but she's bang on. So if you're someone who likes complicated stuff and you're willing to read it again and again to really understand the juice of what she likes to say, her concepts are beautiful. She used to be massively into conscious parenting, and now she's moved into this book where she's speaking a lot to women and patriarchy and all topics that I am extremely myself very passionate about. So in case you want to get that, it's a great book to order. After I finish my reading, I go for my exercise. So Savers, right? So silence, affirmation, visualization, exercise, reading, and then last is scribing. My scribing, my journal, I do in my evening routine. I don't do it in my morning routine. I hope that was helpful. Let me show you my gratitude book and rule of 5 also, because they are right here. This is my Life by Design gratitude book. Every day I will write my gratitude in it, as you can see, with all of my different colored pens, which I'm very fond of. And then I will do my rule of 5. Rule of 5, if you haven't heard me speak about it, is basically every morning or in the night. Some people like to put it in their night routine, some people like to put it in their morning routine. Is all about you making sure that you write out what are the 5 most important things you're going to do in that day and then tick it. These are not your to-do list. This is towards your biggest goal. So it's very specific. These are all the things that are important. They may or may not be urgent. So have a separate list which is important and urgent. This is the list that is important, because you know what? So many of us have gotten so busy doing the urgent that we are not attending to the important. But remember, urgent creates that day, important makes our future. So start focusing on things that are important to you rather than just the ones which are urgent for you.